So good morning. I just came back from the store, and remember how I was telling you how if I don't eat potato chips and my feet don't swell? Well, it's more about the potato chip than potato chips. So what I'm trying to say is the quality of the food makes a difference as to how my body responds when it comes to inflammation and weight gain. So now that I lost 2 pounds below the 200, I feel I can just about eat anything because I'm burning the calories and I'm still losing weight. So I guess I found that little click point where my body starts to burn those calories again, because they weren't burning the calories. I don't know what my body was doing, but now it seems to be a little bit better on track. And when I eat these particular chips with guacamole, now it could be the miracle magic of guacamole that's aiding in me not having inflammation when I eat chips. But the point is this morning is that I found my favorite brand had a different type of air fried potato chips. So I like the jalapeños, the regular ones that they have. I got those along with the truffle. So these, I'm going to see what is the difference between the two, because looking at the package, they both are in a green package. But this one says gluten-free on it, versus the other one says 30% less fat. So my feet just might swell by eating these because of the way that they're made. But we're about to find out today, because I have a lot of guacamole and I have the pico and I even have some little mushrooms and a salad. And today I will be comparing the difference between the two chips, and I'll let you know which of the two was the best deal for me, taste-wise and health-wise. So rise and shine and let's give some glory. I have my favorite avocado to go with the new chips that I'm trying out today that are supposed to be 30% less on the fat, and they're air fried. I just dropped a little guacamole on myself, but it's still sealed so it didn't spill. And see where it says 30% less fat than regular Kettle brand jalapeno chips. So this is supposed to be where it's at for those of you who are healthy conscious. This is supposed to be a better alternative. They're air fried, and I eat them with the guacamole with the pico sauce. So we're going to give it a try and see if it's all what it's cracked up to be. Dang. Look how big this bag is. And then you look inside and it's like, what? Somebody been eating my chips. I can tell the difference already between the air fried versus their other kettle cook type potato chip. But I'm still wondering where the hell my better call them French fries, but my potato chips are at. I don't know if it's better if you're getting less, or they're about the same, because the weight, it goes by weight. All right, let me try one. Well, they're more of a lighter chip, kind of like Lay's when they're air fried, versus the other. Let's try the other. So the other one they have is the potato chip, is also the jalapeno, but it's the gluten-free one. And this one appears to have a little bit more chips in them in the bag. And it says 7.5 ounces. It's 6.5. So there is a difference. And they cost the same. So you're paying for the 30% less fat but you got a little bit less in this bag. You got 6.5 ounces versus in this bag you have 7.5 ounces. And see how the bag is a little bit more filled up than the other. Nothing's filled to the rim on either the two. Now, the gluten-free one are a little bit more crunchier. I love them both because I like that flavor of the jalapeno. So it's perfect for me. They both work for me. And like I said, with this brand, my feet don't swell. So I don't know what that's about. Maybe it's just because I've been fasting. My metabolism has changed and the pancreas is starting to work a little bit better now. I don't know. But I can tell you that my feet have not swollen in quite a while. That's the grace and the goodness I am so grateful for coming into this new year is better health. I got a little dance video coming up because I'm so happy, and I wanted to share that grace and goodness with you because you too can help eliminate some of those health issues just by fasting. It's just that simple. Fasting. Push the food aside. You can save it for later. You're not missing out on anything. You're just saving it for a little bit later in the day or the next day. Leftovers. I know a lot of people don't like to eat leftovers, but they're pretty good if you warm them up right. Sometimes you just put it in the broil and then they taste nice. They taste even better sometimes because they get a little crunchiness on the top from the broiler. But anyway, the point of all of it is that you can still have some of your favorite foods. You can still have some. It's just a smaller portion. The whole point is just have a smaller portion. Just a bite of something. Not the whole big old bag at one time. It makes a difference when you change the portion, the size of your meals. Now, being that food is so darn expensive right now, I'm buying the biggest portion that I can find, and then I'm putting aside the parts that I don't eat till later, that I can eat at a later date time, and it suits me. So I just wanted to take a look, and I wanted you to take a look with me, and now we see. Now, the crunchier chip, of course, is the gluten-free one. But like I said, this one tastes just as good. It's like our Lay's that we love to eat. It's similar to that, but better. I like Lay's. I'm not trying to get down on Lay's, but sometimes Lay's be just too darn greasy sometimes. But these, they taste similar. Similar is what I'm saying, but they are different. And they go very well with my guacamole that I had this morning. And we're going to chat a little bit later. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. It's the bacon Caesar salad kit. And I'm going to add a little bit of chicken to it to make it a chicken Caesar salad. Now, I don't know why this morning this one tastes a little bit different than that one. And they both are very similar. It's just this bag made it look a little bit bigger. And then this lettuce is just a little bit shredded. So when I opened it and prepared it, it wasn't as big of a salad as I thought it would be, being in a bigger bag. But the lettuce is bigger. So sometimes if I want to make a sandwich or something, I probably would get this bag so I could have the sandwich and the salad. And I can use some of the lettuce from this salad to put on the sandwich. Versus this, because it's shredded like that, sometimes I don't like the shredded lettuce on my salad. So it's an excellent source of vitamins A, K, and folate. And see the nutritional information on the back. What we got on the back. What does it say? So 1 cup. Now remember I was telling you about portions. So if you eat just 1 cup, which usually we eat more than 1 cup. I don't know about you, but usually the entire bag, which it gives you the 480 if you're doing the calorie count, versus if you do the 1 cup as they suggest, then it's only 180. So if you're really trying to lose the weight and shape up, then you want to go with the portions that best serve and suit you. And then below it shows you all the vitamins and minerals, all the good stuff that's in the salad. And this is why I eat salads. I love salads. I eat them every opportunity that I get. And if I can get them on sale, I try to get them on sale. Now, I had $1.99 that would not give the sale, even though they had the sign up. They would not sell them for what they were advertising the salads for. So we have the vitamin A, which is 280 milligrams. You have the vitamin K, which is 66. The folate, which is 90. And if you eat the whole bag, then of course you get more of those particular vitamins. Tailored to your taste.